Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a look at the MetaHuman creator. This is the early access. You need to sign up for it to get access. Alright, so I'm going to pick a random character here. Okay, I'll pick... You know what? I'm overthinking this. I'll just leave this default character. Alright, so now let's start customizing the character. Alright, so before we do anything, we can make the screen full by clicking the full screen arrow, and then we can click this data icon. We can see how fast is your internet, how much resources are being used from your computer. Alright, so now we are ready to start doing the customization. Alright, so before we do any customization, I'll show you some other tools as well. Here we can toggle the clear material, hide hair. We can hide these keyboard hotkeys. Alright, and we can also change the LOD. We can put it all the way to 7. This looks like GTA San Andreas characters. Okay, and you can put it back to 0. Alright, so now let's go to the blend. Okay, so here inside the blend, what we can do is from here stop the animation. Okay, and then go to the blend tab. Alright, so right here we can pick some faces and put them inside the blend. Alright, okay, so once we're done, okay, I think that's enough. Once we're done picking the faces, what we can do, we want to blend this face based on these faces here. We can click, let's say you want to do the mouth, you can click here and then start moving it around, start blending around the faces. Okay, you can find the preset that you like, and then you can just, and then you leave it. Now let's go to the eyebrows and the forehead actually, and then you can just blend around. Alright, and then let's go to the cheekbones. Okay, I think this looks good. We can do the ears also. Alright, so now I think we can do the chin. Alright, so I think that's it for the blending. We can change the skin tone as well. We can change the texture, so from young to old. I don't know, you can find whatever preset that you like. Alright, so you can change the skin tone. You can make a more light, yeah, like this. She's now more lighter. And you can also change the roughness and contrast of the skin. Alright, I think I'll reduce the lightness of the skin. Something's going on with my internet. I just lost a bit of quality. Let me see, my ping is 24. I think it's decent. I don't know why I just lost quality. Alright, so now what we're going to do is let's go to the eyes. We can find some eye presets. Alright, we can also change the eyes a little. Alright, so now let's go. We can change everything, even the iris. We can change the presets. Alright, Now we can change the color balance and the size of the iris. Alright, even the darkness as well. We can also change the color, whatever you want. It's really good. And then here we can also change the brightness, vascularity. I don't know what that means. We can add more. Alright, so now I think let's go to the teeth, because I think I have only a few minutes left to use this MetaHuman for now. You only get access for 1 hour at a time. Alright, for the teeth, you can change the length of the teeth. Spacing, you can change spacing a little bit, and then you can also change the variation. Alright, and then you can also make them one down, look like a old person teeth. I don't know, whatever. Alright, so you can also change the color. You can make them more white, or I don't know, dirty, whatever. You can add the black amount so they become more dirty. Alright, you can okay, I've shown you how to do the length already, so don't need to worry about it. So now let's go to makeup. You can add a bit of makeup. You can change the color. Alright, the roughness. Okay, and then lips, you can do the lips as well. Okay, alright, so roughness. Alright, transparency. Alright, I think I prefer like this. And yeah, now what we can do, now we've done the eyes, we can go to hair, and then we can customize the hair. We can add salt and pepper. I don't know. This looks like an old person's hair, so the more you do, actually I think I can leave it like this. It looks like a hair bleaching. It looks like actually like a fashion style. I don't know. I just leave it like this. Roughness, you can put it all the way halfway through, and she looks angry. Let's do the preview animation. Alright, now what we're going to do, let's we can also change the hair color here, whatever, but I'm going to put back to black. So, oops. Yeah. Now what we're going to do, we can actually select any of these hairstyles, but I'll just leave it the afro. Or you can put this afro, long afro, or whatever hairstyle that you want. Alright, so now what we're going to do, let's go to the eyebrows. Out of the default one, I think it's better. You can just customize the roughness. You can change the colors to salt and pepper, but I'll just leave it black. Eyelashes, yep. Out of the default eyelashes, actually it looks like there's no eyelashes. Okay, color, then I'll do them black. Okay, so you can also customize salt and pepper, but no beard, no mustache. So let's go to the body. I guess we're just gonna leave the default body type. Now if we go to sculpt, we can also change the way the face looks. You can start sculpting this. Alright. Alright, I'll make the chin a little bit bigger. Alright. So now what we're going to do, let's preview the animation first. Okay, so now we can also add some freckles. If we go to the face, I think it's in eyes presets. Hold on. There should be somewhere where we can add some freckles. Makeup, lips, blend. Okay, can't really find which tab it is. Head. Wait a second. Okay, so for the teeth, you can actually open the jaw so you can see the teeth very well. You can change the black amount and the variation. Alright, now let's go to the makeup, roughness, color. We'll change this color to somewhere like this. Alright, I think the lips are fine, the teeth are fine. Alright, eyes are fine, skin. Okay, here we can add some freckles, something like this. Okay, so now let's reduce the density. I think I'll put this on the first one. Yep, the first one. Reduce the density a bit as well, and the strength a bit more as well. Alright, and then the tone shift, you reduce it a bit more, and the saturation you put a bit higher. I'll put the strength a bit higher as well. Alright, I think I'll reduce the strength. Okay, I think this looks fine. Now let's go to accents. Now we can add a redness on the cheek area. Alright, and we can also select maybe the chin. I don't know, I think it's not good. It doesn't look nice on the chin. I think actually I'll do a little more redness on the chin. Yep, and then you can do the lightness as well. Alright, well, let's do the forehead. Just a little bit. Okay, so she looks natural. Right, you can remember you can change the skin color. I think she's too light. I'll reduce a bit. Okay, I think that's it for the oops, what have I done? uh, okay, I don't know, find the skin tone that you like. Okay, I think I'll just leave it like this. Okay, yeah, I think that's it for the overview. Now you can preview the animation. This was just to show you the basic stuff on the MetaHuman creator. It's my first time using it today, so I don't really know a lot of stuff, but yeah, I'll see you on the next one.